if I die, I'm dying with my nails on. Oh my God, where'd you get your nails done? Like, I'm gonna get stopped.
I love this nail design. Snake!
Like, my biggest fear is snakes. These are wild.
Nails by May. So you're from Africa?
Yes, so I'm Ghanaian. My mother's Ghanaian, but I was born and raised in Nigeria.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
I've never been there.
To Africa or just?
Africa.
No, you love it. The colors, I think you love it. It's definitely very inspiring.
I searched, there's so many beautiful prints.
Yes, yeah, definitely,
Right?
yeah.
I think it's really nice for the nail art. So I think I'm gonna do that for your nail.
Oh, that's exciting.
Have you done before?
No, I've never. This would be like the first time.
Cute. When you're getting nails done,
Yeah.
like long nail, what kind of feeling?
Oh, mine is excitement. I get really excited, especially when it's like, when it's a design, you're just like, oh my God, that you've seen online and then it comes to life and you're just
Yeah.
like, oh my God. I get really excited. It just shows your personality.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once I had to have surgery to take out my appendix, but they wanted me to take off my nails, but I didn't do it.
Yeah, you didn't do it?
I was never gonna do that. They're gonna have to do the surgery with the nail on. So they had to take my pulse with my toes because I was like, no, God forbid if I die, I'm dying with my nails on.
So which artist people will be surprised that you like?
I'm actually quite a big Celine Dion fan.
Celine Dion.
Yeah, I grew up listening to her. My dad was a massive fan.
Wow.
Yeah, just her. I just think she's such a star.
She is.
Yeah, like her performances, like when I've watched her perform on TV. Like my dad used to play this this DVD of her live shows.
Oh.
So yeah, it was like we were forced to love her.
It's a big fan.
Yeah.
I walked with her once.
Oh, sick.
She's a very funny and
Really?
yeah. She's like come into the studio with singing song with her own lyric. I love her so much. When did you realize you can sing?
I actually used to, like my mom would make me sing at church.
Yeah?
I think when I was about sort of 9.
Oh wow.
The choir leader was like, oh, do you know what? You're actually really quite good. But I think because I had quite a soft voice, it wasn't like a powerhouse Aretha Franklin sort of voice. Like my voice is more about like tone. Like I would never be like the lead singer. And then when I moved here, I think I went to a vocal, like a lesson.
Yeah.
And she was like, do you know what? You can really, really sing.
Yeah.
And that was like the first time I was like, okay, wow, maybe I can really sing.
Which country would you like to go next trip?
Do you know what? I'm quite afraid of flying.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I hate turbulence. I would definitely say I always bring my own blanket on the plane because it's
my
always so
God.
cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Coke, loads of Coke. Like, well, if you can't get Coke, get Pepsi.
Oh,
Anything for
really?
the nausea, yeah, because I get very nauseous.
Only for the airplane?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I never heard that before.
Yeah. I really like plain food, which I don't even understand why, but I like plain food.
Yeah.
So I never want to fall asleep and miss the food.
Opportunity.
Yeah. so sad.
Funny. What's the biggest starstruck moment so far?
When I was in New York, Lil Kim was in my hotel.
Oh,
So obviously,
wow.
as we were in the lobby, she was there. And I would say I was definitely like, oh my God, I grew up listening to you. Like, this is so
Yeah.
sick. Like, I used to
That's
dance to your
crazy.
music when I was a kid.
Yeah.
So that, I definitely think like that moment was like I was like, oh.
Did you talk?
No, because she was with her child, so I thought, oh,
Oh, more private.
I was just like, oh, let me just give you your time. But I wanted to be like, hi.
Hi, I'm a big fan.
Yeah. I couldn't believe she was so small. She was literally my height.
Really?
And I thought I was like the shortest human being alive, but she's very small as well.
Tell me about single.
So the first one is called Don't. That's about like a man being too comfortable in a relationship and all the issues that come with that.
Yeah. Have you done music videos?
Yes, it was really good. It was like we had loads of we had a couple of female models, we had one male model, we had a dog, and we had a snake.
Snakes.
Like my biggest fear is snakes. Like I hate snakes.
I'm scared.
So they literally had to they didn't tell me there was a snake on set.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah. And then my nails, my nail broke like right before I was about to shoot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was just.
That's.
So I had to hide my thumb in the video.
Have you had fan selfie?
I actually have.
You did?
Once, I think we were in Manchester, and these girls, it was so sweet. They waited outside to take a picture, and I was like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
I think I got teary-eyed in the cab on my way home. Looking at them, I'm just like, wow, I just can't. In my head, I'm just like, how do you come up with this? I definitely think people are gonna be like, oh my God, where'd you get your nails done? Like, I'm gonna get stopped.
Yeah.
100%.
What's the most used emoji?
It depends. Sometimes I'll do like the cheeky, the one stick out the tongue, or the monkey face is actually the one that covers the eyes. That's definitely one I use a lot as well.
Oh, yeah. Like a shame.
Yeah, or the crown.
Crown.
Because I like to do this thing where I post other women on my social media just to empower women.
Yeah.
So I like to post women on my stories, and I always put like a little cute crown.
I love cat.
Cats are not my favorite animal as well.
No?
But I think because in Africa you're brought up that cats are like evil. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah. They're really big. Cats and snakes are meant to be like very evil animals.
Ooh. Do you have a secret your follower don't know?
So I'm a massive book fan, and I own probably over 2,000 books.
Wow.
Yeah. I read 3 books at one time.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What's your favorite book right now?
So at the moment, I'm really loving this author called Martina Cole. She's really good. She writes about the underground drug circle in the UK.
In the UK?
Yeah, it's about all the mobs and stuff. It's really good. I'm really enjoying it, actually.
Is she from UK?
Yeah, I think she's from the UK. But then I loved, I'm a massive Harry Potter fan as well.
Oh my God, that's funny.
I've read each book 3 times.
I love this nail design. It's
Yes.
so fun.
Like a lot of the nails that you're doing, the colors and stuff, it reminds me a lot of the fabrics we wear in Africa and the traditional prints that we use. It's definitely all the same colors, like reds and blues and greens.
You had that many like this?
Quite a lot, yeah. My mom definitely wears the kente cloth.
Oh.
It's a lot of the colors.
Do you think your mom like this now?
I think she's gonna love the colors.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a thing. She's gonna be like, Becky, these are wild.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's done.
Thank you so much for having me. I love them.
I love your nail.
Thank you. I didn't expect what was gonna happen today.
Ah.
I don't know what I thought. I thought it would be like a humble glitter design, but this is this is cool.
Can't wait to see whole look.
I know, I'm gonna send you videos.
Yes.